CX Desktop Design 4 Nozzles Vacuum Perfume Filling Machine. Machine's filling system is designed into vacuum equal liquid level filling. Food-grade stainless steel filling system, suitable for filling oil, wine, juice, perfume, etc. Machine adjusting is by touch screen to the PLC system. Easy to control and operate. Touch screen language can be written into your national language. Double layer design stainless steel filling nozzles. One for filling and one for pumping excess filling material back into the raw material barrel, reducing the waste of raw materials. This also enables the setting of the filling liquid level. When the machine is working, the filling head lowers to press the bottle mouth, and the filling head achieves a sealing effect on the bottle. The vacuum generator is used to generate vacuum on the bottle to achieve vacuum filling. The machine uses time setting and bottle sensor detection to control filling, achieving independent control and independent operation of 4 filling heads, and no filling if there is no bottle. Fully stainless steel body machine design, beautiful and durable. World-famous electric accessories and pneumatic accessories. Suitable for long-term continuous work. Perfect performance and efficient in different liquid products filling. CE certificate and meet the GMP standard. 2 years warranty offered, worry-free for you to purchase. Factory direct, and we have more than 10 years packing machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us for machines further information. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.